Hey dancers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, I'm the owner and one of the instructors here at Broche Ballet, a ballet studio for adults here in Denver, Colorado. I want to talk today about my 3 simple rules for ballet. Number 1, don't move. Number 2, always turn out your legs. And number 3, make it look easy. So what I mean by number 1, don't move. What we want to think about in ballet is that nothing causes a chain reaction in the rest of your body. So for example, let's say you're trying to take a balance at the bar. You found the perfect passe and then you let go of the bar and it tosses you over because you move your arm and it gives you a big chain reaction in the body. Or another example, if you do a Grownups to the side and it tips your body over, we don't want that kind of chain reaction. We want only the thing that you tell to move in your body to be the thing that's moving. You don't want anything to accidentally move. You want to be the one who controls when your body moves. So don't move anything that you didn't tell to move. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is always turn out your legs. Always. Just always turn out your legs. It's very, very simple, not very easy to execute, but a very simple rule. So if you're standing in first, you turn out your legs. If you're in the air, in between changement, you turn out your legs. If you're doing a pirouette, going for number 3, you're turning out your legs. You're just always, always, always trying to turn out your legs. They can always turn out more because they're always fighting you, so you always constantly have to be rotating them, actively rotating those legs so that they're always, always, always working for more turnout. And then rule number 3, make it all look easy. So the audience wants to see how beautiful you look, how graceful you look, whatever character you're playing, they want to see that it looks easy and elegant and graceful. You want them to think, wow, I could do that too, that looks super easy. Of course it's not, we all know the secrets, it's not easy at all, but you want it to look really, really easy. So while you're holding everything super still, always turning out your legs, just make it look easy. That's all for today, dancers. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the little bell. Until next time, bye-bye.